All right, hello. I'm here to talk to you guys today about engineering living systems, or building robots out of cells. Now, traditionally, when you think about robots, you think about contraptions made of metal and circuits with electricity just coursing through them. They're strong and powerful and fast, and they can do so many things. But there are some things that they can't do very well. These robots have some shortcomings. Primarily, they can't interact with other biological tissue very well. As of right now, they don't make good prosthetics. They don't make particularly good surgeons. And there are some areas that they cannot interact with. They cannot get wet, as anybody with a cell phone can attest to. They have a hard time with magnetic fields. So what we decided was, what if we took a non-traditional approach to robotics? What if we tried to build these robots out of something else, another material that wouldn't have these problems? So we looked at cells. Well, first what we did is we 3D printed a skeleton. So you can see over here this sort of clear shape. That's a 3D printed skeleton. And what we did then is we grew a muscle around it. We started with muscle cells and we grew them until they formed a solid strip, a muscle outside of the body that we engineered into existence. This muscle, as the little pillars contract, it crawls along like a little inchworm. It's actually very cute. And this was awesome. This was such a great finding. We were so excited. But muscles, for lack of a better word, are kind of dumb. They can't do all of the things that we think of by themselves. They can't run or jump or play the saxophone. They need some sort of input to make this happen. And so what is that input? Well, the answer is neurons, specifically our spinal cord. Our spinal cord houses these circuits which can have muscle do all of these complex behaviors. So this here is a picture of an actual rat spinal cord that I took out of an animal, and my project is to take this spinal cord and interface it with this muscular robot. And by doing this, create a system that hasn't existed before. Create something that has the capability of complex movement, like walking. And this platform serves as the basis for some really interesting technologies. I mentioned prosthetics. If we want to get a non-native muscle to interact with the spinal cord again, this is a platform which allows for us to move in this direction. There are many, many possibilities for this technology. And right now, I think it's in a really exciting and early stage. And thank you for your time.